Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Congratulations Congratulations to Byron. He's gone from 2 subs to 4 subs. I don't know. This is YouTube channel doing 2 times tables. 2, 4, 6, 8, 8. Yeah, so congratulations Byron for getting 4 subs. Carry on with your channel. It's really good. You've got 4 subs and 4 people watching your video. Really like it. So bye guys. Outro.